With more than 1 million Americans now lost to COVID-19, ripple effects of grief are spreading through the nation. As the toll rises, so do the number of bereaved family members, causing pain that could linger for generations. Elise Preston has more.
For Eileen Jimenez, the past 2 years have brought heartbreak after heartbreak.
They were like one after the other. You know what I mean? Like you don't even have a break to kind of grieve one before you're grieving the next.
COVID-19 took 2 of her uncles and 4 of her close friends.
I lost a very good college friend that I've known for many years, and I just couldn't believe it, right? She just had a baby like 2 years ago.
The pandemic also left gaping holes in her work at Catholic Guardian Services, where she helps find permanent homes for children in foster care. 8 of the foster mothers she works with died of COVID, leaving behind the children in their care.
My heart broke for them, and particularly one that was being adopted, and that was completely disrupted.
More than 1 million Americans have now died of COVID-19. Research at Penn State University shows for each of those deaths, at least 9 family members are left behind as survivors.
Our results would imply that with over 1 million individuals who died of COVID-19, that over 9 million people had lost a parent, sibling, spouse, child, or grandparent in the U.S.
Ashton Verdery helped lead the study.
I think that it's going to be 50 or 60 years before a large proportion of the population doesn't remember that their grandparent passed away in this kind of acute mortality shock that influenced the country.
Ripples of grief that will change American families long after the pandemic loosens its grip. Elise Preston, CBS News, New York.
Scientists in Japan are now honing in on a mysterious COVID-19 side effect, its ability to interrupt the body's metabolism and trigger diabetes. A team at Osaka University traced the cause to a specific gene involved in insulin production. In a study published in Metabolism, they say genetic testing could help treat the disease by identifying the most vulnerable patients. In our consumer alert, recall warning: the thing meant to keep us dry in the rain might actually start on fire. But first, can we expect more rain this week and even today? Lisa Green has your forecast in just a few minutes.